In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. There are two ways on how you can take screenshots on your Note 20 Ultra. The first option is to simply tap on your assistive touch, and then select the screenshot option. Click on it and you will take a screenshot. If you don't have the assistive button, just head into your phone settings. Scroll down onto the accessibility option. On this page, select Interaction and Dexterity. Then just tap Enable this tab of Assistance menu. You will get the screenshot option in your Assistant menu when enabled. The second option is to manually tap onto your power button together with the lower volume button at the same time. Hold the power button and the lower volume button, then you will successfully take a screenshot. That's how easy it is to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.